an art exhibition titled A Cultural Confluence on Weaving Artistic Tapestry Across Borders, curated by Meghali Goswami of Bhavan, Vishwa Bharati University, Santiniketan, was inaugurated on the 15th of September 2024 at the Srimanta Sankardeva Kalakshetra Art Gallery in Guwahati. The event, which runs until the 26th of September, brings together works from approximately 50 artists from India and Bangladesh. The inauguration was graced by the Assistant High Commissioner of Bangladesh to Guwahati, Rahul Amin, as the chief guest. Other notable attendees included V. Nagdas, the chairman of Lalit Kala Academy, Siddharth Tagore, the president of Art Consult and publisher of Art and Deal, along with Monedeepa Borkotoki, the ACS Secretary, Cultural Department, Government of Assam, Sudarshan Thakur, the Secretary of Srimanta Sankardeva Kalakshetra Arts Society, and Gautam Chakraborty, the Director of Gallery Kaya in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Representing Meghalaya, artists Rafael Wardri, Benedict Khemlang Nyota, and Lawan Shaibha Kharmaulong were among the distinguished participants.
Art is a very strong language. It can express thousands of words with one visual piece of art. So that's why art is very important and significant for the human society. And it has really influenced and contributed in the society for thousands of years. And we can see the proof of that sort of art forms in our Asian culture.